The Tk-01Rr is pure performance, ready to let you experience those emotions that the E-Enduro can give you. The new SHIMANO EP8 engine, weighing 2.6 kilograms, is now among the lightest and most compact in its category. The maximum torque has been increased to 85 newtons per meter with a maximum servo assistance ratio of 400%. The torque is always delivered with maximum fluidity and naturalness. The EP8 system, combined with the new SHIMANO eTube project app, allows advanced levels of customization to adapt the operation of the motor to your needs. The new aluminium frame features a vertical down tube that houses an integrated SHIMANO 630 watt-per-hour battery, thus ensuring good range without sacrificing the handling given by a low center of gravity. The geometries of the Tk-01Rr are definitely oriented to the most extreme E-Enduro. The introduction of the new head tube standard 1.8 tapered allows a new design and style, but above all, greater rigidity in the steering area, very important when doing the most difficult and demanding routes at top speeds. The lowered standover, in addition to improving the maneuverability of the bike, offers the possibility of mounting a telescopic seat post of up to 170 mm for sizes L and XL. The Tk-01Rr is equipped with high-end components, such as the SHIMANO XT 12-speed drive and brakes. This 4-piston braking system, in combination with 203mm discs with ICE technology cooling function, guarantees braking that is always powerful and modular. For the Tk-01Rr, we wanted a muscular fork, which could guarantee maximum steering precision and extensive customization options. With the brand new Öhlins RXF38 180mm stroke, we have achieved this goal. In addition, the 170mm Öhlins TTX shock absorber guarantees excellent downhill progressiveness without compromising the bike's pedaling performance. Ducati Tk-01Rr, an E-Enduro model with the latest technical solutions, ready to satisfy every rider on the most difficult trails.